In this video, we will learn how to move your Google Sheet in other folder. Let's start. You can see here, this is my Google Sheet. I want to move this Google Sheet in Google Drive folder. Okay. You can see here, move option. Just click on that. You can see here in Google Drive have a three folder: presentation, IMP, and my data. You get here option to move. The current location of data Google Sheet is my drive, not any folder. So if I want to move this data, this Google Sheet in any other folder in Google Drive, then you can move on just one click by clicking on the move option. Just I click on the IMP, click on the move. After clicking on the move, data has been moved from my drive to IMP folder. Okay, if you want to undo, you can undo it. Okay, and click on the dismiss. Now just click on IMP folder. You can see here the data Google Sheet is automatically moved in IMP folder. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel.